contributing to a debate on any matter before the House, and may direct a member who has spoken for the period given to take his or her seat. Justification: to expressly provide for a time limit for the debate and then the discretion of the presiding officer.
Yes, Christine, then AG.
Yes, Chair. I'm requesting that then we provide for also the minimum time, if we have provided for the maximum of 5 minutes. Here. And I'm proposing 2 minutes.
Chair. Right Honourable Speaker, the proposed amendment may be welcome, but it puts a cap. It restricts the Speaker, assuming I was making a submission and I'm cut off by time, the Speaker is not at liberty to give me extra time. Yes.
The Speaker,
Yes.
no, the Speaker has the time.
No, the rule has taken away that. Which I think is not right.
That is where?
Rule 70.
Sub-rule 11, a member shall not speak for more than 5 minutes in a debate in any matter before the House. You get it, eh?
Speaker.
Just a minute. By inserting immediately after sub-rule 11 the following, notwithstanding sub-rule 11, the Speaker may, at the commencement of or any time during the proceedings of the House, announce the time limit he or she is allowed to speak. He or she is allow each member contributing the debate on the matter before the House, and may direct the member who has spoken for a period given to take his seat or her seat.
Right Honourable Speaker, it means is limited to the time given. You cannot give extra time in the event of need.
No. Why don't we are getting a standard time of speech, and that's 5 minutes, such that every member of Parliament knows that when I'm going to the floor, my time is 5 minutes maximum. However, the sub-rule, the second sub-rule, the rider, is, first of all, is saying, notwithstanding sub-rule 11 of 5 minutes, meaning it is making sub-rule 1 inferior. The one of what? Of 5 minutes. It is being made inferior to the circumstances and the Speaker's discretion.
Honorable.
And it says, now let me explain.
Honorable Betty, please sit and. Oh yeah.
But sometimes it's better we listen to each other such that we understand the basis, then you can make the interjections. And it says, notwithstanding sub-rule 11, meaning the rule which is providing for the 5 minutes. The Speaker may, at the commencement of or any time during the proceeding of the House, announce the time limit he or she is to allow each member contributing.
Honorable Katuntu, in the original rules, 11.
Your colleague Katuntu to understand me. The first amendment requires the Speaker to set the time limit of 5 minutes. That we have agreed upon. The second amendment envisages a time, let's say, like we were having year elections, and the place was flooded. Then the Speaker...
AG, we have not yet agreed upon because I have not put a question.
Yes, that's why I'm debating.
You're saying that it has been agreed upon.
No.
We have not yet
myself,
agreed. Okay.
yes, I'm agreeable on the first amendment of 5 minutes. The second amendment, that you find when the Parliament is full to the brim, and 5 minutes are not practicable, okay? So this rule says, notwithstanding the proviso for 5 minutes, the speaker may make adjustments and say today it will be 2 minutes, okay? But I'm envisaging a time when, Honorable Katuntu, you are submitting and you run out of your 5 minutes, but what you are submitting is essential to us all and it would be important for you to go on and conclude. Yes. This amendment takes away the power of the speaker to say, Kafuzi, you can continue for 2 more minutes.
Honorable Chair, with due respect, I told you not to touch the powers of the speaker. So that rule is not going to be amended. Next rule.
Chair.
Next rule.
Chair.
Next. I put a question.
Can I make a submission? Yes,
Hajat, just hold on.
May I make a submission on that?
Hold
Chair?
on, Hajat.
Chair, before your question, if you may allow me, the rationale, because cure, maybe we didn't put it right, but the House can now adopt otherwise. The rationale was to cure the problem of a 1 minute, 2 minute talk where you are cut off before you have even explained exhaustively what needs to be understood. That was the intention. The intention wasn't to limit the speaker or to give an
Honorable members, let me put a question. Let me put a question. First of all, it is at the discretion of the speaker. You always get, when we are starting a debate, I tell my team 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I cannot stop a lob when he has something very important to present and I give him 2 minutes. I cannot stop this side when the Prime Minister is presenting and I give her 5 minutes. Meaning, you're trying to tie the hands of the speaker. I put a question that Rule 70 be amended as proposed. Doesn't fail, say, and the contrary, nay. The nays have it.